Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can withdraw money or put money from your Cash App into your bank account, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using the support guide simply because I don't have Cash App available in my region, so I'm not able to access the app or the website, and I won't be able to help you guys with that by showing you step by step. However, this guide is very well made and you should be able to understand everything. Now, of course, when you set up your Cash App account, you will be connecting your debit card for your bank account to it, and you'll be able to send money in between those two things. Now, to withdraw money to your bank account, all you need to do is, if you're in the app, tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen, then press Withdraw. Then you need to choose an amount, select a transfer speed, and then confirm with your PIN or your Touch ID, and that's literally all it takes. However, you can also do this online if you don't have your Cash App on hand at the current moment, and all you need to do is go onto cash.app/account and you will be able to log into your account from there. Then click money in the left hand side, then click withdraw under your cash balance, choose to or enter an amount, and click continue, and then of course you just need to select your bank account and transfer speed, and depending on the speed you may be subject to a fee. For example, if it's instant, there will be, in this case, as you can see, a 35-cent fee. However, if it is standard speed, it will take a bit of time. However, you will be able to withdraw for free, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.